Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you types of table in the Dataverse to create a model driven apps. Okay, so let me just to go to the table in the left pane, you just need to click on this table and then you will able to see all the tables. So let me just filter out just to showcase you how many types of table we have. So as you can see, we have three types of tables in the Dataverse. So let's select first one. So what is activity? So this you can say a special kind of table which is mostly based on the activity. Let's suppose uh, uh, in the Outlook, if we want to create any activity, then we can set the subject, we can set the start and time. Okay, and then we can define the location as well. So these kind of things we can do here. And let me, by default we have some already created activity tables. Let me just select this and then click on apply. So now you can see we have a appointment, email, fax, letter, phone call, appointment task. So these all are a type of activity tables. Okay, we can use this table to just create any task to any other user, and then we can set the column value accordingly, like someone is doing and someone is let's say if he has done their job, and if he want to update the status, then we can go with the set state and then update the column. Okay, and now come to the another part. We have a, let's say, let's go with the first virtual. Okay, so now you can see we don't have any virtual table in this Dataverse. So to create a virtual, what we need to do, and what is virtual table? So virtual table we use when we have a data source which is part of a, let's say, external source, let's say SharePoint. Okay, if we want to, because earlier we not able to connect and not able to see the data in the model driven app, if apart from the Dataverse. Okay, let's say we're not able to create a SQL, we're not able to connect with the SharePoint, we're not able to connect any other data source. Okay, we can only connect with the Dataverse table inside the model driven app. Okay, so now recently Microsoft introduced the concept of virtual table, where we can connect our SharePoint and then see the data using the virtual table. Okay, so to create a virtual table, now you can see it will ask me to select the connection. We can use a SQL or any other option as well. Right now I'm just connecting the, just to showcase you, I'm just connecting the SharePoint, and then here we need to mention our SharePoint URL. So mine is Power Platform, then I will click on next, and here you can see my SharePoint list. So configure tables and column, so I just select these details, and it will take some time. Okay, so now you can see all the all the table column which we created in this SharePoint list is automatically created here. If we want to change anything, then we can change. External name is this. If we want to change internal name to, for just for display purpose, and this is our schema name. Okay, so we can change that as well, and we can select which is the primary field we are going to use. Either it can be a title, name, description, as and status, anything we can use. Okay, so that's how we can go with the virtual table concept. Okay, if we select choose and then next and then finish. one thing you have to make sure, like while before clicking on this finish, you just to make sure each and every column is associated with a good naming convention. Okay, because once you click a finish button, then after you're not able to change anything. It will take some time. So now you can see this virtual table is created. Okay, and now let me click on this. So now you can see we not able to add any new column. Okay, so that's the reason I was telling you. So now you can see we even not able to change the or edit the any column type. Okay, because in the standard table we can change the type of table like uh, uh, plain text to rich text kind of thing, but here we can't do. Okay, so just make sure before clicking on the finish button to creating a virtual table, each and every column is associated with a good naming convention and the type as well. Okay, so this is for the virtual table. Now come to the most important point is a standard table. So by default we have some standard table automatically created in the Dataverse. Let's say account, we have address, business unit, contact, currency. All these are standard tables we have. Okay, and this is a also a type of standard. Okay, but we with the different tags. Okay, now let's suppose if we want to create a blank table. Okay, let me click on this blank, and I'm just adding column name, and I am taking this column name as a single line of text, and putting column name as a names. Okay, and if I expand this, so you can see like a schema name is also coming like this. Okay, and we can change the type of data type as well. So I will come to next at part. So now let's see, just update this, and let me change the table name as well. Test. And now let me click on create. And now let me go back to there. So let me search again tables. Now you can see this is a type of standard, but tag is a custom because it's created by the user. Okay, so this is a like a standard type of table. So this is nothing like a out of the box table you can say, and some by default the standard tables is automatically created by the Microsoft in the Dataverse, and whenever user is going to create any new table, that is also becoming a type of standard with the custom tags. Okay, so that's how we can create a tables, and we understand the types of tables in the Dataverse. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you later.